What's up, y'all? It's Tyreek and you're watching Toast and Grits, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the beautiful, exclusive, rare, hard to find, hard to get Balenciaga Triple S sneakers. So yeah. First of all, before I even get into everything, I just want to say I know I'm a little late on getting the Triple S's, but not quite too late because they are always sold out and it's just mad hard to find. And I just kind of got very lucky and got my hands on a pair from the store. Like, literally walked in the store and I was able to grab a pair at the store. Like, that shit was, I didn't think that was gonna happen. Like, I literally went in there to buy a bag and someone just told me, like, ask them, like, do you have the Triple S sneakers? And they like, nah, we don't got a pair. I went to the SoHo location, actually, SoHo, New York, and they got two boutiques, one men's, one women's. So like, they were across from each other. I went to the men's boutique first, of course, and I was asking, I was just looking around, kind of like, I wanted to buy a bag. I knew I kind of wanted to go to the women's boutique to buy the bag, but like, I just was looking in the men's, like, you know, what do they have? They did not have the Triple S sneakers in the men's boutique, so I went next door, well, not next door, but across the street, and I'm looking around. I didn't see the bag I wanted. I actually was gonna buy the same bag that I have. I will link that video like below or whatever. But I was gonna buy the same bag that I already have with just like a black and white colorway, because like, I really like the bag that I got, and I got like a lot of compliments as I was wearing it. And at this point, it's like, damn, I kind of just really like that bag, so I just want to rebuy that bag. Anyway, they did not have it in the store, and someone just told me, ask them, do they have Triple S in the women's boutique? And they did, but it was a little weird, because at first I'm like, do you have Triple S sneakers? And she was just kind of looking at me like, as if she didn't know whether to say yes or no. And it kind of like, I'm looking at her like, at this point I'm thinking she about to lie. Like, I thought she was gonna tell me no, and if she would have told me no, I feel like I was gonna probably like press her, like ask her a little more questions, because I just had a feeling that she was about to lie, but she did not. She told me that they had some sizes back there, and she just was telling me, like, you know, it's a really big woman's size, and I'm like, okay, so what size is this? And she was like, a woman's 12. I'm like, so is that a 42 a men? And she's like, yeah, some guys come in here and they buy the, you know, they buy the women's sizes, and it's just kind of equivalent, blah, 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 blah. Long story short, she brought out a size 42, which is a men's 9 and a woman's 12. And they fit me, and I was able to walk the fuck out the store with a pair of Triple S's, and that's the story behind them. And let's just get into what they look like and how they feel, and yeah. Oh, and a real quick tip, you can most definitely go to the store and pick up the Balenciaga Triple S's. Like, they told me that I just got them like, what, 2 weeks ago from this date? Today is the 27th. I got them like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago I got them, and they told me they're no longer doing the waiting list. So like, if they got them in the store, you can purchase them. Like, they're not holding them for nobody no more. Like, go get the Triple S's right now. Like, if you feel like you want to go buy them right now, you buy the store, or you're able to get to the store, go. Ask them, do they got the Triple S's? If they say yes, buy them, please, cause like, they be getting them. So here are the sneakers. These are the Balenciaga Triple S in a size 42. The colorway is silver, gray, red, black, like a off-white Irish, distressed white rather. They are basically a mesh sneaker with like leather and suede trimmings. Leather, what? Suede. Y'all can see the logo right here, and the logo is basically on the outer side. So this is the right foot. So if somebody's looking at me from my right side, they're gonna see Balenciaga on the side, and the left foot, Balenciaga on the outside. Like, you get my drift, right? Right. So shoestrings are like the pattern black and white. The tongues have the style name, which is Triple S, and also a pull tab, so you know you can help get the sneaker on. The pull tabs are also on the counters of the sneaker. You have like, I don't know, I feel like you could mess with the soles. Like, I don't know, here's 1 sole, 2 soles, 3 soles. That's why it's called the Triple S. And I think I read that somewhere, that Triple S means triple sole. Like, I mean, it will only make sense. They got these reflective like trimmings, I guess you could also say. Like this is reflective. If you take a picture with the flash on, I kind of don't like it because it's like, you could barely see like what that is right there. But yeah, it's reflective trimmings on the side. The insoles are black and padded with the logo on it. You see that? Behind the tongue also has the sizing. So hold on one sec. So the sizing is behind the tongue, and it's a little weird because I got it from a women's boutique. So it's, instead of saying like a US 9, it actually says the US 12, which obviously is a women's 42. But it says a UK 9, European 42, USA 12, and a Japanese 28. So if you are a guy and you wear a size 42 on a regular basis, which is a US 9, then you could legit go to Balenciaga and get a women's 12 or women's 42, and you would be okay to wear. I think that's just like the Chanel sneakers. I think they only came out in women's sizes. Well, I know they only came out in women's sizes. So if you're a guy, you just basically go 2 sizes up from your US size. So, you know, I'm a 9, I need a woman's 12 if I was to get a pair of women's sneakers, like, you know, simple. So let's talk the prices. So I kept my receipts because that's what I do. Okay, so I got them from Mercer St Women's. The retail price is $850, and with tax, they came to $925.44. Tax was $75.44. That's crazy. Yeah, so basically, you're gonna spend less than $1,000. So I think that's great because when you're trying to buy them from the resale market, you're gonna spend over $1,000. Like, and that's for fucking probably used sneakers. Like, not to say it like that, but I mean like you're gonna spend less than $1,000 to get a brand new pair than if you were to buy like a used pair or like shop consignment and probably find them for like $1,300, when that's like, if you buy them brand new from the store, you can walk out of it paying less than $1,000, and that's with tax, with the fucking big ass shopping bag. You know, it's gonna come with the box, which the box, by the way, is mad big. Like, this is a massive ass box. Like, I mean, it's a massive ass sneaker, but the box is huge. Like the dust bags are even like mad big and long. This tag was on it too. This is super cute. I like this tag a lot. I'm gonna keep this and put it somewhere, I think. They also blessed me with another pair of shoestrings. So like, I don't know, this was kind of weird to me that they included like another pair of shoestrings, because I feel like who's like messing up their shoestrings that they need to rechange, that they need to change them. Well, I'm about to say rechange them, but who's messing up their shoestrings, like stepping on them and shit? That's what I thought. Like, okay, so when you're a child and you like don't tie your sneakers, so you like step all over them, that would be a reason to like change your shoelaces. But like, I don't know, I'm probably never really gonna use this other pair. Or I might use them for like another pair of sneakers that I might get. But let's talk comfortability. So like, as far as comfortability goes, I think they're fairly comfortable for like a luxury sneaker. They do give me like this heavy ass vibe. Every time I wear them, well, I only wore them a few times, but still, I'm trying to like get used to them being heavy because they're just gonna be a heavy ass sneaker. But I thought that they said when they were gonna make them in China, which these are the ones made in China. These are not the first like Italy made ones. But I thought that they said when they remade them in China that they would be like less heavy. So I don't even want to imagine what the ones that were made in Italy feels like, because walking in these, like, not quite a workout, but it's not like your average sneaker. Like, it's really not. Like, it's heavy. I think they're super durable, and one thing that I love about them is the fact that I don't have to worry about like getting them dirty. Like, they already look dirty. That's kind of like the look that it gives. It's supposed to be like a distress. Like, I treat mine as like I'm gonna start treating mine like an everyday wear. Like, I know wear and tear can happen, but I'm not too worried about wear and tear happening with these. Like, it is what it is. They're already distressed. Like, I can can just throw them on, I can just wear them. Like, I don't really care for what I'm wearing right now, but honestly, I could go outside and wear this shit. Like, I got on the white t-shirt, some Adidas sweatpants, and the Balenciaga Triple S, and I could wear this. Like, I think what people need to understand as far as like the dad shoe, like it's a big ass sneaker. Like if the silhouette is big, it's huge, it's gonna look big. So like, don't let that discourage you from getting them if you really like them. If you like them, then you are gonna understand that they're gonna look big. I guess for girls, maybe you might want to try them on and like see what they look like with your favorite pair of jeans or something, so like you know that look. But I feel like with guys, like our feet kind of already like big, so I don't really think you gotta worry about it unless you're wearing like a size 46. I did see a size 46 Balenciaga Triple S, and that shit was like, I think it was a display shoe. Like legit looks like nobody's gonna buy that. It's just kind of like the sneaker that you're gonna display the store with, and that's it. I mean, let me stop saying that, because a size 13, a 46 is a 13. A size 13 is not that common, but people wear size 13. Like basketball players go up to like size fucking 16. Like, but yeah, I think anything over a 44 might look a little like too big. But then again, if that's your size, like it'll match your body type. I think that's safe to say. Like if that's your size, if that's your shoe size, then it will match like you. So don't be discouraged about the way the shoe looks and like how big it is, how big you think it's gonna look on your feet. Like it's supposed to look like that. That is 100% fine. Nobody's gonna, I mean, no fashionable person that knows about it is gonna be looking at you like, ew, like they're not gonna do that. Maybe like somebody who don't know much, and not to say it like that, but like maybe somebody who's not into luxury fashion and that kind of like, you know, not so trendy, they're gonna look at your sneakers and be like, ew, like them shit's big. Like I mean, I know people think the Triple S's are ugly as fuck, and they think that people shouldn't spend almost $1,000 for them because they're like huge and just like, I'm trying to think of all the bad shit they say. I can't really think of much because I don't really be caring, but yeah, don't let it discourage you. If you want a pair of Triple S's, go get them. And like I said in the beginning of the video, they are no longer holding them, so it's no more wait list. And they said they get them, not all the time, but they get them. So basically, if you want some Triple S's, my advice would be to call your store or maybe even go to the store to see like if they got them in stock. If they got them in stock, you can most definitely get them. And yeah, if you live in New York, New Jersey, I'm gonna just go with New York, New Jersey, because that's where I'm from. If you go to the store in Mercer in SoHo, you're gonna spend $925.44. I think that's the price. I said it earlier, so yeah, you could just like rewind it if I didn't say that right price. But yeah, you'll get them for less than $1,000 at the store. I got lucky, so I think you can get lucky. I love them. They are like amazing. I'm so happy that I was able to get them, even though I still want a new bag, but I was able to really walk in the Balenciaga store and get a pair of Triple S's. Like, not many people can do that. People have been trying for months to do that. And plus, also, I got like, I mean, this is not like the original silhouette, but this is not the newer silhouette. Like, I don't really care for the newer silhouette. Like, I really like this silhouette so much better. So I'm just happy that I was able to get these, and like, I don't know, I'm just happy. And I'm also happy to make another video for y'all. Like, I've been missing YouTube, but I've been so busy, and like, I also ain't really been buying much, to be honest. But like, yeah, I just moved into a new place, so like, excuse my background, even though it's not much, it's just mad sunlight in here, and it's a gloomy day too, so it's still like a lot of sunlight. Natural light, not sunlight, natural light. It's no sun outside, but it's a lot of natural light in here. I really love it. I'm happy, and I'm done rambling. Like, get some Triple S's. Alright, so last but not least, I just want to say, I want to go over like quick little like outfits I guess you can wear. If y'all follow me and like watch my videos all the time, I never have like that outfit. Like, my favorite things to wear are white t-shirts and jeans. Like, honestly, just t-shirts and jeans and your luxury sneakers, and you will look okay. Like, you will look fine. You can dress these up, you can dress them down. Well, you can't really dress them up. I don't really think you could dress up the Triple S's. Like, I mean, I did recently just wear like a suit with my Triple S's, but I wasn't in like a formal environment. I just wanted to wear that. Like, I would never like, I don't want to say never, but I wouldn't wear my Triple S sneakers in a formal event. So yeah, scratch that. But like, you could always just, you could just throw these shits on, just wear them. That's how I tell about all my luxury sneakers. Like, just wear them. If you're gonna spend the money, don't baby them. Wear them. I'm out. Oh wait, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, my name is Tariq, and again, you're watching Toast and Grits. Peace. Or you watch Toast and Grits. Peace.